Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tech Skills Academy. In our previous video, we learned about how to design a 3D model with the help of sheet metal commands. In our today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn your Solidworks 3D models into precise 2D drawings. This tutorial walks you through creating detailed technical drawings, perfect for manufacturing and documentation. We will cover essential techniques like selecting views, adding dimensions, and annotating your drawing. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, you will learn how to generate professional quality drawings that are clear and accurate. You're gonna master the art of converting 3D models into production-ready drawings efficiently. This skill is crucial for both engineers and designers. Therefore, watch now and elevate your Solidworks skills. So we have a 3D model of our sheet metal plates that we designed in our previous video. Therefore, in order for us to make a 2D drawing from this model, this is what we do. So go to File, select Make Drawing from Part. Next, select Drawing. OK. Great. Solidworks is asking us to select our standard sheet size. In this case, I'm gonna select A3 standard sheet size. Then select OK. Oh, great. So before you do anything, you need to also define the unit of measurements that you're gonna use. So always unit of measurements, I would prefer and advise you to use millimeters. So how do you change that? You come down here to custom, then select millimeters. Okay, we've changed. Then also we have now our views here. So in order to put our views on our drawings, just select and drag top view, immediate top view, then just drag it to your drawing sheet, and we have the side view. Select on that, then OK. Okay, let's drag it a little bit away from your top view. Great. What else do we need? Right. So now let's start dimensioning our drawing. So in order for us to generate the dimensions here, we go to Model Item, then Enter Model, Enter Model, and then Import Items into all views. So these items are measurements or dimensions that are going to import into our view. So select, select, make sure that this is selected and also this is selected, and then select OK. Right, finally, so it has given us the dimensions. So just arrange our dimensions properly. This one, if you don't need it, so you delete. Let's delete that. Okay, just we need this overall dimension. Yes, put the dimension there. Smart dimension. Select there. We have 226. Change the location of the arrows inside. Okay, let's drag it into the arrow. 16 also will do the same thing. Leaders inside the arrow. Okay, what other thing? Now we drag this one. Let's see repositioning them. We go to diameter. Okay, let's write it nicely here. Cool stuff. What else do we need? Need a distance from this edge to the center of this circle. We have 15 millimeters. Delete these unnecessary dimensions. Delete them. Delete them. Great. Okay, cool. Then we go to this side view and also erase this unnecessary measurement when this 90 degrees, the radius, yes. Okay, and then we can put the dimensions manually here. You go to smart dimension, like this, got 142, select this and this edge, 150, select this edge and this edge. Okay, 30. Go to leaders, change arrows inside, select this edge and this edge, 26 millimeters. Okay. Alright, then select 26 leaders, go inside arrows. Alright, then next select this, dimension it 22 millimeters, go to leaders, select inside arrows. Okay, what's next? What do we need to do here? The inside radius. These are bending radius, so the term I'm gonna use, let's do millimeters. This outside radius, I'm gonna position it here. 2 millimeters as well. This inside radius, 2 millimeters. The outside bending radius, which was 2 millimeters, just in the direction of the arrows. Okay, and also that one is the inside. So, okay, good stuff. And also, don't forget, guys, we need the thickness of my material here, which is okay. Got smart dimension. Thickness is 2 millimeters. And this one is gonna have a star. It is for technical references. Technical references, yeah. Okay. What else? Drag a little bit here. And this is the side view. I'll show it. You come here to the arrow, check the box, and then I'm gonna give it to the letter A. What else? Trying to see the these are custom scale. Okay, select OK. Next, what do I need? I go back to my sheet, metal part. Okay, do that. Okay. Then I drag a flat pattern. Bring it over here. Select OK. This is my flat pattern. These are bending angles. The bending angle up, and then down, down, up. Okay, I'm gonna change the language here to English. How do we do that? I'm gonna do it later, guys, don't worry. Okay, what next do I need? You need to put the overall dimension. Go to smart dimension, select this side. You have 271. Come to precision. I don't need any precision here, just put none. Also this, it's 200. Come to okay, then also distance from this edge to the bending line. I need also to define that. Okay, so I can put up there. I have it No, let it be 38. No precision. 38. Just try to move it up. Then from this to that, it's one and the same thing. Go to values and 9. Then this kind of there. This conversion power. This and that. Also, it's 63. Precision. Yeah, this is now. Drag it up. No. Okay. Great. Now go to here, just delete one. Alright. So what do we do next? We need to make a bending table for this our flatten pattern. So how do we do it? We go to tables, select bend table. Then Solidworks is asking us to select a flat pattern drawing view. So this is a flat pattern drawing view. Select on it. Okay. Then we come to tag type. I'm gonna use numbers. Okay, starting from 1, and then use no setting details. Okay. Yes, that's the thickness of the lines. I'm gonna use 0.5. The layers, I'm gonna make it basic. Or uppercase. No, text format, just leave it that way, then select OK. Since Solidworks automatically gives us a bending table, and I can just drag it a little bit to make it bigger and clear. So what do I do here? Since it's written in a different language, so in order for me to change, I'll go to letter A, then come to column property, select, that's a tag. I'm gonna use, it's a bend order, so bend order, then go to column B, I do the same thing. Okay, column property, this is direction, I'll go to direction. Direction. Okay, then I'll go to angle. These are bending angles, which are the same thing. Go to column property, angle. Okay, direction, angle. Great. And then I'll go to inside or inner radius. Same thing. Come to column property, check my inner radius. Alright, cool. And then exit. Great. See, and then just start it. So I've seen, guys, I've just done it simply here. What else do I need? I need isometric view. Drag your isometric view. So next, we are done with the table. What do we do? Sure that you drag isometric view here. Great, you have it. Then you can put shade with edges. Having done that, you can give it a name. In order for you to give it a name, go to Note, select, and top edge. So I'll give it to be ventilation, cover. Then make sure that the format is standard. First, standard type A, 2 millimeters. Color, I'm going to choose light blue. Okay, see, alright. Then make sure that all the dimension millimeters, Okay, what dimension? Okay, dimensions, millimeters. Ghost. Compare. You can change the color from the to blue. Okay. Okay. Just a minute. Right. So we are done. In order to save this our drawing for CNC format, so for fabrication or manufacturing, so you go to save, then save as DX file. So choose, go to DX file, choose DX file. DX file, okay. Go and save it in any name of the file here, and let us save it on my desktop. Okay. This one has no. Yes. Saved. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure that you like, subscribe and share. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe.